Welcome to Wolfland Productions. Today we'll be going over a program that allows you to take any YouTube video and put it into your computer. The reason why I'm going over this one is because I know there's a lot of them, but this one was the most recent I found and one of the best as well, considering how many formats you can take YouTube videos and put them in. Now originally this is only 42 megabytes, so that's not really a lot of space that you have to worry about, but if you just want to download a certain group of them, just click on any one of these that you want and it'll pop up with this menu, and it's essentially I think about 12.1 megabytes or lower depending on how big the file size is, but like I said, altogether it's just 42. You may not even use half of them, but might as well just download all of them just for safety purposes, so that way you don't have to download another one that you find out that you need. This is a very simple program. All what you really have to do is, when you've already installed it, just open it up, which this is what it's going to look like. If you only downloaded one program, then these will appear black and white, or if it is in color but you didn't download one of the programs in that folder, then it will appear black and white. Just click on that program and it'll bring you to the URL and you can download it. To get out of here, just click the X right here. But we'll be going mostly over the internet one since this is for YouTube. Now there are very different variations you can use for this one. We're just going to be going over the free YouTube download one. Now for this one, all what you really need to do is go to a URL on YouTube and basically, or just go to a site on YouTube and basically copy it, the address bar, and then click paste. Give it a few seconds. For some reason it can be slow or fast. Now the next part is just to click download and it will automatically download it. Make sure you know where the output folder is, which all what you really have to do if you don't know where it is just double click here, whatever the file is. Now this is one that I changed, and just go to any one of your files. I'll just go right here and paste it, click go, and it'll automatically take me where the file is. And as you saw, I did download it, and it is an MP4 format. Now let's say you want to put it into a different MP3 player that requires a different format, or you want to edit it using Windows Movie Maker. Then we have another program which I don't suggest using very well. I suggest finding another video converter, because the NCH video converter has a 14-day trial and I'm still trying to look up for another one. And if you do want this, the link will be in the description. But in case you want to just watch the video and you don't really have an MP3 or anything like that, and you don't really want to get a converter, then go to the next link, which will be a QuickTime link. This is the latest version of QuickTime, and it will play the MP4 video, well, MP4 format video. So that's another way of doing it. And that's the first part of it. The second part of this video, which will focus on the other parts of the free studio, is for PSP and iPods. For those of you who have PSP and iPods, this is actually a really good program. All what you really have to do is repeat the same steps, put in a certain output folder, just keep the one you already have, and click on which device you want. Which this can go from Sony iPods to Apple iPod to anything, and I don't know why I said Sony iPods. I meant to say Sony PSPs. But anyway, it will take it to any format, but that's not really the big problem. I've been hearing a lot of people who use this software keep coming to me saying that when they go to DVD and video, they go to iPod and PSP. For those who have the PSP, have a hard time trying to figure out the format of for the PSP format for taking videos that are in your computer and then putting them into the PSP format. This is a simple problem that I managed to figure out because of how they've listed these. They didn't actually say put on here iPod or anything like that. The format that you have to look for is the one I've already have selected, which is called the MPEG-4. This says it's for Apple iPod 5G video, but it'll also work for the PSP and Sony Walkmans. Basically, you just download. Basically, you just add the file into here. put on the output name or save to, and then you just click convert, and there you go, it's done. That's a basic runaround on some of the features that are on this. For all the other features, just explore and wander around. Those are the primary ones I really use. Anyway, like I said, this is Vincent from Wolfland Productions. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you all in another one of my videos.